Hello students, welcome to online classes. Continuation of the straight lines exercise 3D and second Roman. We have completed up to fifth problem in previous class. Now we have to discussing about the continuation of the second Roman. Seventh problem is I am writing here x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisection of the line segment joining the points a comma b. If a of minus 1 comma minus 3, find the coordinates of the b. It is given, it is line equation is given. This is a line equation I can write here x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. You can observe here figure x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and bisection is, you can bisecting the point is okay. Therefore a is a point is given. What is a, what is how much, that is a minus 1 comma minus 3 is given. You can find the b. E is nothing but h comma k. You have the theorem is, if it is a line equation is a comma minus 1 comma minus 3.2 is a image. Reverse of is there, therefore bisection means you can write the, this is the image of the b, a image is b, therefore h comma k. You have the formula, apply the formula, you get the answer here. First you can write your solution. Given straight line is, given straight line, what is the given straight line is x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, called equation number 1. And what is given, and point, one point is given, that is a of minus comma minus 3 is given. Mn of, it is line is, let Mn be the straight line or perpendicular to bisection is bisection of AB. Mn is line is, bisection is AB. Okay. Therefore, the image of x1 comma y1 is h comma k. The image of a of minus 1 comma minus 3 is b of h comma k. These are images. What the formula is? You have the formula. If image of x1 comma y1, p of x1 comma y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, what is the formula here? H minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of, put off perpendicular and the images both are same, but you get the minus 2 only extra, 2 only you will get the extra, ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the formula. You can apply the formula, you can find the h comma k. What is, you can observe here a comma b comma c is, you can, I am writing here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 5, and point is x1 comma y1 is how much it is? Minus 1, y1 is equal to minus 3. You can apply the formula here. Okay, I will applying here h minus x1 divided by a is 1, k don't know, k minus of y1 minus 3 by b is how much it is? Minus 3 is equal to minus 2 of ax1 means 1 of minus 1 plus b of y1 minus 3 plus c is nothing but minus 5 divided by a square 1 square b square minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square. Therefore, you can simplify this is x plus 1 by 1 is equal to k plus 3 by minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 of this inner part is minus 1 plus 9. 3 3 is a 9. And minus 5 divided by 1 plus 9. Again see here, h plus 1 by 1 is equal to k plus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 of, how much this is? Minus 6, 9. 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. You are getting minus 3 by 5. Can comparing h term and k term, you get the h comma k. That is the image only. Okay. Therefore, what happened is, observe here. h plus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Can cross multiplication do 5h plus 5 is equal to minus 3. 5h is equal to minus 3 minus 5. 5h is equal to minus 8. h is equal to minus 8 by 5. You got here first h is equal to. And what about k is? K is equal to k plus 3 by minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Can multiply 5k plus 15 is equal to cross multiplication to go minus into minus plus 3. Therefore, 5k is equal to 9 minus 15. 5k is equal to minus 6. K is equal to minus 6 by 5. Therefore, h comma k is, our answer is minus 8 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Our answer is, the coordinates of the B is the h comma k. This is the B value, minus 8 by 5 comma 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. Now this is, oh sorry, this is minus 6 by 5. Okay. I am writing here also, h comma k is equal to, once again write here, minus 8 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5. This is our answer. Same method you can do if it is given another problem is. Okay. Next I will go. Next question is 10th one. Find the locus of the put of the perpendicular from the origin to variable straight line which is always passing through the a fixed point a comma b. By the problem, you can draw a figure is, can put off perpendicular to origin to, it is put off perpendicular. For line is, it is line is passing through the a point is fixed a comma b. Therefore, you have the in line two points are there here. I am let the p of x comma y is, I am assuming that is okay. Put off perpendicular. Therefore, it is 90 degrees only, that is. See how to find the equation is, let the origin O of 0 comma 0 and fixed point is fixed point of a comma b is given. Let p of x comma y be the foot of perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular to origin. Observe here this 90 degrees. Therefore, I am writing the slope of OP. Slope of OP means you can give 0 comma 0 and x comma y. What is the formula? Slope is y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Or I can write here y minus x, y minus 0 by x minus 0 is equal to y by x. This x1 y1, this 0, x2 y2 you can take here. Similarly, I can write this is slope of OP. M1 is equal to, I can write here, y by x, call equation number 1. And slope of AP. Similarly, you can find the slope of AP. Means you can take here, what is the value C? You can take here A of, what is here, A comma B and P of x comma y. Therefore, M2 is equal to slope of AP is y minus b x minus a. Don't simplify here. This also can call here 2. But we have OP is perpendicular to AP. Okay. Therefore, what is the condition is? The slope of OP into slope of AP is equal to minus 1. We have the condition slope, it is perpendicular, therefore multiple of the two lines slope is minus 1. Therefore slope of OP is how much it is? From 1 y by x into, or you can write here bracket as it is, and slope of AP is y minus b by x minus a is equal to minus 1. Since from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. You can simplify this one. What will you here answer? You observe here. You can multiply of y minus b is equal to minus x of x minus a. Cross multiplication you can do. The one only. Therefore, y square minus yb is equal to minus x square minus of minus plus xa. Bring this LHS. All the terms you can bring left side. Therefore, what happened there is minus x square is nothing but plus x square, y square as it is, xa or ax I can write here minus ax. The plus is there, therefore I bring this side, what is it? Minus ax. Already this is y minus b is equal to 0 only. Therefore, the required equation is our locus x square plus y square minus x minus by is equal to 0. This is our answer. By or yb, you can write orderly. There is by. Okay. Next problem is third Roman. First problem is, show that the lines, 3 lines are given. X minus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. And 7x plus 9 minus 54 is equal to 0. 3 lines are given. Form a right angle triangle, isolation triangle. Right angled mean any one of the angle is 90 degrees. Isolation triangle means remaining 2 angles must be equal. Isolation. Angles are sides are. Okay. Here you can angle. You are discussing here. You have to do only angles. That's why I am taking the angles only. Why 90 degrees? Which one lines are is 90 degrees? If it is 90 degrees means observe here. Given first is right here. Given lines. X minus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0, 1. First one is, and next one is 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is second one. What is the third one is? 7x plus y minus 54 is equal to 0. Draw a, you have to prove this is a right angle triangle. Therefore, this is 90 degrees already. But 3 lines equation is given, triangles. Therefore, which one you can take here? 1 comma 2 is. I am taking this is a 1. This is a 3. This is 2. These are between 1 and 3 you have the 90 degrees. Because observe here, x coordinate must be equivalent to y coordinate. Y coordinate must be equivalent to x coordinate. And this is reverse only. Additive inverse. Okay. First one, bx minus ay. Therefore, comparing 1 and comma 3, these are two lines are perpendicular. You can directly say that is. Find the angles first is let A be the capital A. This is A, B, C. Be the angle between which two lines this is 1 and 3, between 1 and 3. Therefore you can take here 1 and 3 equations and formula apply. Cos theta is equal to, what is the cos theta? Mod of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square into A2 square plus B2 square. This is the formula. Therefore I can write here 1 and 3 equations. X minus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0 and 7x plus y minus 54 is equal to 0. I am writing here. Okay. Therefore cos theta is equal to, apply the direct formula is A1 A2 B1 B2. Therefore what are you getting here? 1 into 7 plus asterisk minus 7 into 1 divided by under root of A1 square is nothing but 1 square plus 49. Here also 7 square is nothing but 49 plus 1. But in numerator observe here 7 minus 7 is there. Therefore 50 into 50, but you are getting the 0. Therefore cos theta is equal to 0 is nothing but cos 90. This cos theta is nothing but cos A. You can write here A angle na. Therefore you can write here cos A. Therefore A is equal to how much, that is 90 degrees. You can got here first angle is A is equal to. Find the B angle. B angle means you can take here 1 comma 2. Okay, I am taking the B angle means you can take the 1 comma 2. Therefore let capital B the angle between 1 and 2. Therefore I can write another equations also. X minus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0 and 2 equation is 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore cos B, I am not writing again formula here. You can use cos theta is equal to formula, apply that directly. Cos B is equal to, what is the formula? Apply A1 A2 means 1 into 3 plus asterisk B1 B2 minus 7 into 4. That only na, and divided by under root of A1 square 1 plus minus 7 square is nothing but 49. What about second one is 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. Again cos theta is equal to, cos B is equal to, listening here, therefore this is 3 minus 28 by root of 50 into, this is 16 into, that is nothing but 25. Therefore you got here 25 by, this can be written as 2 into 25 into 25. Cos B is equal to how much, that is? Cos B is equal to, you are getting 25 by 2 into 25 into 25. Therefore cos B is equal to 25 by, this is root 2 asterisk 25 into 25 root means is 25 only. 25 to 25 get cancel. Cos B is equal to 1 by root 2. When is occurring in cos 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degrees. Or you can write here cos pi by 4. Therefore B is equal to pi by 4 or 45 degrees. You got your B value. Similarly you can find here 3 and 2, or simply method we have in a triangle. Again you can apply the 3 and 4 equations, apply the formula also. I am not applying here. You can do in any triangle. In any triangle, all the angles is equal to how much? That is sum of the all angles is 180 degrees. Therefore A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore A is how much you got here? 90 plus B is how much? It is 45 plus C is equal to 180 degrees, or I can write here it is 135 na? 135 plus C is equal to 180 degrees, or C is equal to 180 minus 135, or direct you can write here C is equal to 45 degrees. C is equal to 45 degrees. You have this is two angles is same and one is 90 degrees. Then 4 you can write here the given lines are. Then you can write here then the given lines formed a right angular isosceles triangle. These two angles equal and one is 90 degrees. Therefore this is a right angle, this is a isolation. Therefore the given lines are, you can say that it is a right angle and isolation triangle. Okay, next question is, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point -3, 2 and make the angle 45 degrees with the straight line 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. First you can understand the problem. What is given, what is asking here. It is two lines is angle is given is 45 degrees between the two lines. One line equation is given, that is 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the another lines is, okay. If it is 1 or 2 or lines is, okay, depend on the m value only. Therefore it is given 45 degrees. You can write this not given another line equation. Therefore you can use the slope is, you have the AC line and CB line or BC line slope. In this equation is given, you can find the slope also here. You can assume that the AC slope is, you can take any one or constant, that is m only or k only, and substitute the tan theta here angle. Okay, 45 degrees given, therefore tan 45 you can take here, you get the solution. This is the explanation. Your solution, observe here, given that a straight line, what the straight line is 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0, and angle how much is given, and angle also theta is equal to 45 degrees given. Means AC and BC lines, AC and BC. Let AC line slope m1 is equal to m only, m1 is equal to m, and BC equation is, BC slope is line slope, I am writing here line slope is equal to m2 is equal to, find out how to find, you can observe here. Given equation how much it is 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0, or I can write here y is equal to 3x plus 4, y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore m is equal to how much it is here 3 only. Therefore m2 is equal to 3, directly you can write here. Okay, m is equal to 3 only, m2. If it is two lines slope is given. What is the formula of the lines between angle is tan theta is equal to, now you can take here tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. It is given lines between the angle is 45 degrees, therefore tan 45 is equal to, I am writing our columns. This is not a board, notebook only, that's why I am lining. Okay, I am putting line here. Therefore tan 45 m1 minus m2, therefore m minus 3 by 1 plus m1 is nothing but m, m2 is, that is I can write 3m. Tan 45 is how much? It is 1 mod of m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m, or I can write here m minus 3 by 1 plus 3m is equal to plus or minus. Remove the mod, you get the plus or minus values. Therefore you can take here plus one side, and similarly you can take the minus 1 also. What you are getting the m values, you can observe here. M minus 3 by 1 plus 3m is equal to 1. Therefore m minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3m. Bring this side, what happens is m minus 3m is equal to 1 plus 3, or minus 2m is equal to 4. You can got here m is equal to how much it is? Minus 2. One value you getting the m is equal to minus 2. Similarly you can take here minus 1. M minus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3m is equal to minus 1. M minus 3 is equal to minus 1 of 1 plus 3m, or I can write here m minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 3m. Bring this side, what happens, that is 4m. m plus 3m is nothing but 4m is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 4m is equal to 2. m is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. I can writing here m is equal to minus 2 comma 1 by 2. You are getting here two values, that is m is equal to minus 2 comma 1 by 2. You have the case one. First is if m is equal to minus 2 and point minus 3 comma 2. What is the equation is? It is the AC equation is, or you can write your equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That implies, I am writing here only, y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 of x minus plus 3, x plus 3. You can simplify, what happens, that is y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 6, or I can write here 2x plus y minus 2 plus 6 is nothing but plus 4 is equal to 0. This is our first equation is. Maybe both are, you are getting the two equations. I am first getting a equation. What about case 2? I can take here case 2. If m is equal to same as this, if m is equal to 1 by 2 and point is same as this, minus 3 comma 2. Therefore equation how can write here, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That implies y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of x plus 3. Okay, simplify, what will you get here? 2y minus 4 is equal to x plus 3, or you can bring this side RHS, x plus 3 minus 2y minus 2y. Here also minus 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 only. Okay, y minus minus 2y plus 4. Therefore, you get the x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the finding of the line equations if it is given angle in what is that, m1 and m2 is given, that is the slope you can find. Okay, next question is very interesting. Proves that the foot of perpendicular to the origin on the lines can take the foot of perpendicular O to 0 0 2. Now O is the origin, 0 0 to first line and 0 0 to second line and 0 0 to third line. You get the foot of perpendicular point, that is, you can say that is the 3 points you are getting here. 3 points you are getting, the triangle only, that is. Therefore, it is collinear, means you can find the 3 points first of all using the origin 0 0 0 2, and first line A is the point, foot of perpendicular, that is the foot of point, means you can write the point of formula, apply the formula and you get the answer. Second one also and third one also. This is the method. I can find the 3 points, can take any 2 points line equation, find out the line equation, substitute the third one, it is satisfied, then you can say that is a collinear. Therefore, how do you do this problem is, it is, I am writing the first is given line equation in standard form. X plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 5 minus 26 is equal to 0, 15x minus 27y minus 424 is equal to 0. Let capital A of x1 comma y1 be the foot of perpendicular from origin 0 to 0. What is the formula is? To equation 1. Formula is, what is the formula? I am writing first of all, formula is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1b is equal to, it is not an image, it is perpendicular, foot of perpendicular, therefore minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. All the problems you can, in this problem you can use, it is a foot of perpendicular, therefore h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Apply the formula here. First equations I am finding the h comma k or x1 comma. Here you can write here h comma k is nothing but x1 comma y1, and x1 comma y1 is replacing as a 0 comma 0. Therefore, what happened there is x1 minus 0, a is nothing but 1, y1 minus 0 by 1 is equal to minus of ax1. It is 0 into x1 is 0, here also 0, c is nothing but minus 4 by a square plus b square is nothing but 1 square plus 1 square. Therefore, x1 is equal to y1 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, you got here a vertices is x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma 2, because x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 2 also. Both are same. You got here x vertices. Similarly, you can find the second vertices. How can you find? You can observe here. Next, let b x2 comma y2 be the foot of perpendicular to 0 0 to equation number 2. Equation number 2. Therefore, I can write directly x2 minus 0 by 1 Okay, by 1 is equal to y2 minus 0 y2 minus 5 by 1 only. Once again, y2 minus 0 by b is nothing but how much it is? 5 only, is equal to minus of ax1 is 0, ax2 is 0, bx2 is 0, c is nothing but minus 26 by 1 square plus 5 square. Therefore, x2 is equal to y2 by 5 is equal to, this is minus 26 plus 26 by 26 by 26 is equal to 1. Therefore, you can got your b value is x2 comma y2 is nothing but 1 comma 5. You can observe here, you can simplify this is x2 is equal to how much it is? 1 into 1 only. This is a 1 by 1 only. Therefore, y2 is equal to 5 only. 1 into 5 only 1. Again, you can find the c values. C value how can find here? Observe here. I am writing here. Let c of x3 comma y3 is be the foot of perpendicular from 0, 0 to equation 3. Equation 3. What are the 3 equation? You can take this is the 3 equation. Okay, third equation. Therefore, what is the formula here also? x3 minus 0 by 15 this is equal to y3 minus 0 by minus 27 is equal to, you can write here minus of ax1 means 0 and x3 0 0 0 0 both, minus 424 by 15 whole square plus minus 27 whole square. x3 by 15 y3 by minus 27 is equal to, this is 424 by 225, 15 square is 225 and 27 whole square is 729. You can get the 424 by 954. x3 by 15 is equal to y3 by minus 27 is equal to, this cancellation you can observe here, divide with 106, what will get here? 4, this is 9 only, 4 by 9. Okay, therefore x3 is equal to 4 into 15 by 9 or 3 3s are 3 5s are 20 by 3, and y3 is equal to minus 27 into 4 by 9. Therefore 9 1s are 9 3s are minus 12. Therefore c of x3 comma y3 is, what is the answer here? 20 by 3 comma minus 12. Okay, you got here 3 vertices, a value, b value, c value. You can find the any two. I am taking the a comma b line of equation, you can find here and substitute the 3 value. The third one is, it is satisfying, that is the collinear. This is a, you know about the formula. Previously you done that method only. I will explain. Okay, I am writing here points a of 2 comma 2, b of 1 comma 5 and c of 20 by 3 comma minus 12. You got these 3 points. Then you can write first is equation of the line passing through a of 2 comma 2 and b of 1 comma 5. What is the formula? y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, you can find their m value. How can write here? Y minus 2 is equal to y1 minus y2. 5 minus 2 by 1 minus 2. X minus x1 is nothing but 2 only. Therefore, y minus 2 is equal to 3 by minus 1 x minus 2. Therefore, I can multiply minus 1. Whatever there is, minus of y minus 2 is equal to 3 of x minus 2. Therefore, minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 6. Or I can write here 3x plus 5 minus 8 is equal to 0. This is our fourth equation. Substitute here. Substituting the c of 20 by 3 minus 12 in equation 4. It is 0 you are getting. Then for you can write the three vertices are collinear. Okay, put off perpendicular of that is collinear. Therefore, you can observe here 3 of 20 x means 20 by 3, y of minus 12 minus 8 is equal to 0. 3 get cancelled. 20 minus 12 minus 8 is nothing but 0 only. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. Right here, the put off perpendicular a of 2 comma 2, b of 1 comma 5 and c of 20 by 3 minus 12 are collinear. This is the end of the theorem. Problem. Okay, this is the end of the problem. Collinear. A ray of light passing through the point 1 comma 2 reflects on the x-axis at a point A. X-axis means you can take here x comma 0 only. X comma 0. Y coordinate is 0. And reflected the ray passing through the point 5 comma 3. It is the first rays and reflected at a point, and this is also and reflect go this side only. ఇక్కడ ఈ రే ఇక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్ మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ క్యూకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఈ సైడ్కు AQ. Therefore, is passing through the point 5 comma 3. Find the coordinates of the A. You can find the A vertices. Given that solution, observe here. Given that points B, A of x comma 0 and P of what is your assume 1 comma 2, Q is 5 comma 3. First you can find the equation of the line passing through passing through 1 comma 2 having the slope m is, how can I write here, y minus 2 is equal to m into x minus 1, or I can write here m is equal to y minus 2 by x minus 1. Call this equation number 1. Okay, I am finding the equation of this is passing through the 1 comma 2 and this is m is the slope is m. Similarly, you can find the equation of the line passing through the 5 comma 3. This is a reverse. Reflect means you can opposite additive inverse only. That is how can I write here minus m only. This is a minus m only. That is, you can write here equation of equation of the line passing through 5, 3 having slope, it is minus m. Because this reflecting means you can write the negative additive inverse. M is minus m only. Therefore, what is the equation is y minus 3 is equal to minus m of x minus 5. Therefore, you can write here y minus 3 as it is. You can multiply with minus. What happens it is m as it is. You can write here minus x plus 5. Therefore, I can write here m is equal to y minus 3 by 5 minus x. This is called your equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, I can write here from 1 and 2, m is equal to m only na. Therefore, I can write here y minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to y minus 3 by 5 minus x is passing through the above equation is passing through the above equation passing through x-axis. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. What happens is 0 minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 3 by 5 minus x. Therefore, minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus x. Minus of minus plus, you can cross multiplication to 2 of 5 minus x is equal to 3 of x minus 1. Or you can write here 10 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 1. X values, you can get the x value is 10 plus 1 is equal to, this is 3 only, no, sorry, this is 3. 10 plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 2x. Therefore, 5x is equal to 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13 by 5. Therefore, vertices of x comma 0 is equal to 13 by 5 comma 0. This is the end of our problem, and this is also end of our exercise 3D also. Okay, next, thank you.